Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about large format laser marking machines. The gantry fiber laser marking machine launched by Perfect Laser is specially designed for large format continuous marking tasks. Its core highlight is the use of IPG laser source imported from Germany, which ensures great beam quality and delicate marking effects. Combined with a stable slide rail design, the machine can flexibly move the galvanometer lens and marking head in 3 dimensions, and is particularly good at processing large format seamless image marking, showing extremely high adaptability and professionalism. In order to meet the needs of different customers, we provide customized services. By adjusting the power of the laser and the size of the guide rail, a variety of marking formats can be set, including common specifications such as 400 by 300 mm, 900 by 600 mm, etc. In terms of marking performance, it can achieve 0.5 mm deep marking. The specific value is affected by the material and laser power, with an accuracy of up to 0.001 mm and an amazing speed of more than 7,000 mm per second, which greatly improves production efficiency. The wide application of large format laser marking machines in the market has successfully solved the problems faced by many customers due to the limited laser marking format. Whether it is large format stainless steel marking, logo sign production, panel marking, or elevator decoration, marble laser engraving, rapid engraving of wooden plaques, etc., the machine can complete it with ease, showing its wide application potential and value. Compared with the traditional fixed workbench large format marking and XY axis mobile splicing marking solutions, the new linkage large format marking solution with a linear motor platform has achieved significant improvements in many aspects. It not only overcomes the shortcomings of traditional solutions in terms of maximum processing area, uniform distribution of beam energy and continuity of marking splicing, but also realizes flexible customization of marking area through the use of linear motor platform, ensures uniform distribution of laser beam energy, and further improves the overall quality and efficiency of marking. If you are interested in our machine, please leave a message and follow us, or please call our order hotline. More exciting videos will be presented to you.